Guys, we are currently in Satwa to check for phones. But it's too much traffic and there is no parking. So I'm just staying in the car. And you will check. Let's see if there is. There is already a specific model that we are looking. My brother recommended. So, tingin-tingin lang kung anong meron. Tapos dadalhin na lang niya dito kung ano itsura. Actually, may mga gold shops din dito eh. Dito na lang kaya ako mag-check instead na pumunta sa gold souk kasi wala nang time. Let's see. Update ko kayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung place. Dito yung parang tabi-tabing mga bilihan ng mga telepono. Para siyang Green Hills sa... Green Hills? Oo, parang ganong eksena. Pero hindi siya mga stall. Mga shop-shop talaga siyang dikit-dikit. Ayan siya guys. See? Lahat yan mga store, lahat yan ng mga telepono. Tapos dito, ayan, swipe phone. Yan din, lahat yan. Puros mga phone sellers.
Camera is nice for the price. It's not a, fabulous. Wow. Yeah, wow. Yes. We also have
But I think it will work.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Pero dito kami bumibili ng Afghan food. Ito siya. Ang pangalan ng place is Afghan Khorasan Kebab. Ito yung opposite ng Dubai Bowling Center or tabi ng bowling center, Dubai Bowling, sa may Al Quoz. Sobrang sarap niya guys. Highly recommend kung dito kayo sa Dubai. I-try nyo siya. Ito yung usual order namin. Mutton tikka with Afghani pulao, chapli kebab, tsaka roti bread. Yung mutton tikka with Afghan pulao, 49 dirham. Tapos chapli kebab, 39 dirham. Tapos yung bread, 2 dirham. So yan, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pagkakain na kami. Sobrang sarap guys. Highly recommend. Sobrang siyang malasa. Ewan ko kung nilalagay nila. Kung butter or something. Basta, masarap siya. Try nyo. Guys, so before I end this vlog, gusto ko lang sabihin na meron kaming giveaway sa Instagram account and for YouTube. Papakita ko dito sa gilid yung video. Tapos nakalink lahat sa description yung Instagram account ko. Mag-join kayo guys. Pwede kayong manalo nitong giveaway na to. Beauty and skincare products, hair care. Tapos merong 75 minutes massage sa tips and toes. Although, itong giveaway na to is for UAE only. In the future, maybe gagawin namin siyang international. Pero for this one, UAE lang siya. So, for all the UAE residents, you can join the giveaway. Just follow the instruction that is mentioned on Instagram. Tapos, napansin ko, yung lahat ng nanonood sa account ko is 88% hindi pa nagsusubscribe. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung analytics. So 88% of those who are watching my videos are not subscribed. So please, free naman to subscribe. So just subscribe na kayo and then like, comment, and everything. So yun lang guys, and see you on the next vlogmas. Next day vlogmas. Bye!